In the world of major and minor phenomena, explosions create quite a spectacle. They are not just about boom and destruction, but there's a complexity of science involved in it. Did you know that the speed of the explosion can dramatically change the course of the outcome? A high-speed explosion can cause massive destruction, while a slow explosion could be relatively harmless, even in the same amount of substance. Intriguing, isn't it? But what makes an explosion high speed or slow speed, and how does this understanding impact the world? Let's find that out in the end. An explosion, in its simplest definition, is a rapid release of energy into the environment. However, what causes that instant and rapid release of energy requires understanding of the chemical and physical processes involved in an explosion. The explosion process usually starts with the ignition of a substance due to heat, electricity, light, or even a shock. This leads to a chemical reaction, most times combustion, resulting in the formation of high-pressure gases. These high-pressure gases then expand quickly. It is this rapid expansion and the resulting shock wave that we interpret as an explosion. Explosions can vary greatly in size, from small, like a car airbag inflation, to large, like a volcanic eruption. The size of the explosion largely depends on the amount of energy released. The energy can originate from several sources, including chemical reactions, physical reactions, nuclear reactions, or even biological processes. Explosions, though primarily regarded as destructive, span a wide array of uses in our daily lives. The most common usage that comes to mind are in the field of construction and mining, where controlled explosions are used to break apart large chunks of rock or earth. Besides, in various industries like automobile safety, agriculture, pyrotechnics, and even in food production like making puffed rice, controlled explosions have significant applications. Often, explosions can also occur naturally, such as in the volcanic eruptions, supernova, and even in the human body during some metabolic processes. The science of explosions is not as simple as it seems, rather it involves rigorous study of chemistry and physics. It turns out, a lot of these studies contribute to safety techniques and protocols that protect lives and efficiently carry out intended purposes. Now, coming back to the question. The element that determines whether an explosion is high speed or slow speed is called detonation speed. The factor of detonation speed revolves around how quickly the reaction takes place. If the chemical reaction propagates at supersonic speeds, the explosion is termed as a detonation, a high-speed explosion. If the reaction propagates at subsonic speeds, the explosion is known as a deflagration, a slow explosion. This knowledge allows us to control the energy release and use explosions in beneficial ways. It's fascinating how understanding a destructive force like explosion can lead to its utilization for the better. Thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you found it informative and intriguing. If you enjoyed this captivating journey into the science of explosions and learned something new today, don't forget to hit like, share this video or leave a comment down below.